Corn is good.
Like, I don't know. You like it better in the bowl or how we usually do it?
I don't know. Oh snap.
You got a new shirt.
But the bowl is great for when it's I don't know, I like the setup. How do you guys think about the setup? Do you guys like the setup? But the only thing is getting that sauce in the beginning, you know? Once we get deeper in the bowl, it'll be easier because there's sauce in the bottom bowl. Probably should fill this up with more sauce.
Yeah, it's a little bit harder, but.
Nicole's going in. Oh, that's good. You're going in. Eat how you want to eat. Enjoy your food, you know? Nicole's devouring the green stuff. The onion stuff. That bite look good. Corn is good. So like I'm at the gym. Oh, I got corn in here. I'm tripping. Oh.
This morning I was at the park. And
Sauce hit you? You good?
no.
You want water? Rock down on pipe.
Yeah.
I said, you good? She said, no, ASAP Rocky. That sucks when it goes down there. And it just feels like it's stuck too. Like
It's burning so bad right now.
I got water if you need it. Even a new one. But nah, I be trying to go to bed, even if I try to go to bed early. And the thing is, just a minute. You don't like this. Not too sharp either. I think I'm gonna try to go out at 2 in the morning, take a nap tonight. Go after this. My plans to take a nap after this because you know how seafood can get somebody, or just food in person. Let me show y'all this big thing too.
Food makes me tired.
Look at that sauce dripping down. Look at the thumbnail off that. What it is, what it do, Z-double-C crew, it's your boy Zaddy Chunk Chunk, and I'm back again with another banger for you guys today. What kind of bang it is? It's a mukbang! As you guys can see, I have
Nicole, of course.
I have Z-double-C crew, it's your boy Zaddy Chunk Chunk, and I'm back again with another banger for you guys today. What kind of bang it is? It's a mukbang! And today I have
Nicole, of course.
And today we are doing a
seafood boya.
Yes!
You know, I don't know. Kind of liking the spicy more.
I love it. I love corn, you know?
Mm-hmm.
But nah, I be trying to go to bed, even if I try to go to bed early. And the thing is, let me get a potato. See what she's talking about. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
At all.
She wasn't feeling good at all. I woke up, she was sitting